Ako hindi ako natatakot diyan sa impeachment. Unang-una, may problema kasi sa impeachment, may legal issue sa nakapending yung Supreme Court. Kasi nga, yung final nila is the fourth or the fifth impeachment complaint. And that is a violation of the process. Kailangan kasi one complaint within a year. Ilan na ba yan? Ang pinay nila yung pang-apat o pang-lima. Kasi ang ginawa nila, kinonsolidate nila yung mga ibang complaints. Ginawa nilang isa. Yun ang pinay nila. Number two, the House of Representatives, as I've repeatedly said in my show, is not a continuing body. Natapos sila eh. Hindi naman sila kagaya ng Senado na continuing kasi may 12 na naiwan. So may problema ka na naman doon. Wala silang jurisdiction. That is precisely why the lawyers of Inday Sara, including my son, yung anak ko ang nag-umpisa niya, mag-truce na lang tayo. Ina-advise niya, pati yung mga abogado, sama-sama sila. Pwede naman kasi na yung mga senador, pwede nilang i-dismiss dahil wala silang jurisdiction on the two grounds I mentioned. Pangatlo, they will like the truce and dismiss the case.